This is the Earn Wallet section. See your total investment amount, earnings, and earn wallet value here. This is the Portfolio Wallet. This is the P2P Wallet section. You can view the available balance or add the balance from the Spot wallet to the P2P wallet. This is the Web3 Wallet section. We have a dedicated video tutorial on Web3 Wallet. This is the Deposit Fiat section. You can transfer funds to the bank account. Once the deposit request is confirmed, the transfer will be processed and the funds will be credited to the wallet within 1 business day. This is the Withdraw Fiat section. The user can withdraw the amount, which will be credited to the bank account provided in the Bank Info menu and displayed in the customer bank details.